Every year on my birthday, my sister lit a candle and let it burn alone. I thought it was a tradition. When I read her diary, it said on every birthday page, "It didn't happen again this year." I wondered what didn't happen, and then the last page revealed everything. Part 1. The Shimmer of a Candle. Just like every year, my birthday arrived, and she gave me the same surprise she did every year. A soft candle, lit in her room, and then it would extinguish on its own. After that, nothing more, no joy, no celebration. Just that candle, and then the simplicity of it all fading away. "Thanks, sis," I would smile and say. She would always smile back at me, but there was no real joy on her face. She never asked about my birthday, nor had she ever given me a gift. But as always, I didn't ask. Because that was a question that hid a new secret in its answer. Just the same old smile, the same old deception. "Everything's fine, honey," I said, and in my mind, I thought, what kind of tradition is this? Part 2. The Diary. One day, by chance, her diary came into my hands. This wasn't just any ordinary diary. It had something special about it. I quickly flipped through the pages, and then one page caught my attention. It was the page about my birthday. "It didn't happen again this year." That was the sentence she had written about my birthday. What didn't happen? This question echoed in my mind like a blow. My birthday? Or something else? What was it that she didn't want to happen on that day? Was it just a normal thing, or was there something more? In that sentence, there was a secret lurking that I had never understood before. I took a deep breath and thought, had I ever asked her what was in her heart? Had she ever wished for our relationship to be different? Part 3. The Silent Calculations. After that, I began flipping through more pages of her diary. Each birthday page was almost the same. "It didn't happen again this year." This was no ordinary thing. I began to realize that there was something she wanted, but she never expressed it. Every candle, every year, she secretly extinguished something that I could never see clearly. At the wedding ceremony, where everything appeared perfect, her face was telling a different story. She always hid something behind my smile. "Everything's fine." She always said that, but I knew the truth inside her was different. "Everything's fine, honey," I said, and in my mind, I thought, is everything really fine? Part 4. The Perfect Facade. Everything seemed fine, that's what it looked like. Every gathering where we had to appear like a family, it was always beautiful. We all seemed happy with each other, but in reality, it was all a facade. Every aspect of our life was like a Pinterest perfect picture. Those moments when everyone appeared happy, those moments when we posted on social media, the whole "we're so blessed" vibe of life. But when we were alone, the reality was something else. The little things that only she knew, they exposed the truth inside me. Every little thing revealed her inner anger and restlessness, which she could never let out. Part 5. The Subtle Defeat. One day, a small moment came. A sentence, a look, a movement that would change everything. That moment, which would seem trivial to anyone else, but to her, it was everything. "That was it," she said and walked away, and the flame inside me that was never supposed to go out, dimmed in that instant. Her silence revealed her defeat, and I knew she would never realize where she had lost. "Everything's fine, honey," I said, and in my mind, I thought, and then, nothing happened. Part 6. The Final Secret. Finally, one day, I read the last page of her diary. There was nothing on it, just a blank page, but it had been written about my birthday. But this time, something was different. This is the last page. Inside, there was something that spoke of unspoken things. "It didn't happen again this year." This sentence still echoed in my memories, and now I knew that her candle had never been extinguished. She had always kept herself distant from me. Every year, her heart was saying something else, and in her silence, there was a lonely secret hidden. If you enjoyed this story, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring more heartfelt stories to life. Thank you for being part of our journey, and we look forward to sharing more with you soon.